We are staying at the high gorges of the Malbaie River in Quebec. This national park is a gem, and we want to show you all about it. All right, first of all, look at this wonderful view you get from our site. Up here at the visitor center, and I gotta say, this is absolutely breathtaking. Holy moly. I have spent a lot of money on a camera to try and capture some epic shots, and I still feel like I'm not getting it. It is just so breathtaking right here. Look, wow. 'Cause my life keeps spinning on, no matter what I do. What's that, Lori? We're going on a hike. This place is pretty magical, isn't it, Lori? Mom's got her flip-flops on and we're going for a hike. Anna's sister, Carolina, and her husband, Nathan, their two kids, Maya and Michaela, are met up with us. So if you see them, that's who they are. It's gonna be a fun family trip. Look at these steps, Lori. Oh, wow.
Nobody up here crops.
Holy moly. It's been a minute since I've had Lori in this backpack.
I was just getting rid of my pouch.
Whew. I am out of shape. Oh. What's that? Well, they go a lot faster than us because Dad's out of shape And he's carrying you. Holy crow.
Yeah.
You okay, Mom? They did such a good job of these stairs. It's amazing.
Yeah, we did that.
That?
Yeah.
Okay,
Now
where are
we're
we
gonna
going?
do this.
Oh, okay.
So it's quite a bit longer.
All right, let's go.
Well, I don't know. It'll just be
You okay back there, Lori? You hot? You okay? You hot? Okay. It's shady in here though, so that's better. Let's check this hike out and see what we see.
When the sky is falling down and the clouds get in your eyes,
Yeah, it is trying to find us, eh?
I'll be a gold mine. When your world ain't going right and the struggle dims your shine, I'll be a gold mine. Back to back, I got you and you got me. Dream team, stick together.
They called this trail easy.
Easy. I'd say it's moderate for sure. I will give it to them. Woo. With the rock steps that they built, that's nice. Especially when you have a child in a backpack. Yeah, I found some nice ones.
Helps the common good. We are stronger, getting stronger every day. We are braver, getting braver in every way. When you can't seem to win the fight and you're counting endless nights, I'll be a touchdown. When all you
I was
need
just gonna
is
say, honey, I don't know about you going
I'll
up
make
this
sure
way.
to hold the
Put the camera on my backpack.
I'll be a touchdown.
You're gonna need your hands free.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna. This is insane. Like all these steps all the way up. I'll see you at the top. That is a hike up some handmade rock steps. It is insane. Holy smokes, I'm tuckered out. But totally worth it for this view. Here, check this out.
Helps the common good. We are stronger, getting stronger every day. We are braver, getting braver in every way. We're getting stronger, we are stronger.
The nice part about the back half of this is it's all downhill. Up is fun. Down is better. Oh yeah. Okay, you see that? Yeah, look at it. Mom can do it in flip-flops, and I can do it with a baby on my back. I guess it's not that bad. But a lot of steps up. They're all rock, so it's not too bad, eh, Lori? All the rock steps. This is our site, Site 34 in Campen de Crème. Now I will say this, it is a bit tight for our trailer with the 3-foot slide. If you can see here, I actually had to move it in order to fit in between the post and our slide. You do get this wonderful fireplace that you can cook over if you choose to. And then enough room. Our trailer is 25 feet long. So just to give you an idea, and we're using up a lot of this site. Alright, site 52. Looks like they just left too. The fire's still smoking. It's nice and long.
The other ones have like sites close to them. This one's like all on its own.
Yeah, it is too. Oh my goodness. Sites 8? Oh yeah. Here, hold on. Across the street from site 8, you have these rapids right here too. But I am really liking some of these tenting sites. They are so nice.
I think 8 and 9 are my favorites.
8 and 9. 7 was really nice because you're on the side of the water and there's a little path to go down, but 8 and 9 were big and nice and level.
And secluded.
Yeah.
We didn't have neighbors beside you. This is the Rapids Trail.
Is it?
I think so. It's going along the river. And it said the rapids. Let up.
Now, back when I was tenting, and this is a site I would have looked for because you have water spigot right there. Then you're right on the water. You got a beautiful little spot, picnic table. Back here you can set your tent up nice, or even a small tent trailer, because once you're on the other side of this tree here, you have this beautiful spot for your tent trailer, and then you got your picnic table, your fireplace right here. Then you come down through here and you have path down to the river, and then the river and the mountains all the way up. Mountain view right through. Now that is a wicked site. Site number 7. Beautiful spot. Quebec is absolutely breathtaking. Ooh, look at this site. Oh my gosh. Stop, I want to film this one.
Relax.
Lucky number. Wow. This is huge.
I thought it was on the rapids, but it's not.
Oh yeah, the water there.
Still a nice site though.
So where you put your tent is level, but the rest is kind of sloped, heading down towards the fire pit. Site 16, oh my gosh, 15 and 16, you practically jump from your site into the water. This is amazing. Nice, beautiful flat spot right there. Right there for your tent. Your fire pit. Picnic table. And then look. I could get my tent out and come back here, that's for sure. This is awesome. I believe it's a big blue. And the beach. If I had to guess, I'd say that this is group camping. I'm not too sure. I'll have to check the map. They have a few of those tent structures back there. I thought it was a pavilion or something, but it's just some of the tent structures. Good spot to be at. The one thing I do need to point out is before you even get to this park, all cell service drops off. There's a few spots in the park that you might be able to get one bar, just enough to shoot off a text or receive some text. Other than that, it's radio silence. You're back in the 90s, I'm telling you. It's actually been really nice to be away from my phone and just having some fun with my friends and family here. As you're coming in off of the main road into Camping de Cran, there's a big shed that hosts all the Wi-Fi for the park. Now where we're at, we do not get the Wi-Fi. So you will see a bunch of cars and people just kind of hanging out, checking all their emails, and I don't know, maybe posting pictures and videos onto their social medias. Where we are, the Wi-Fi doesn't come this far, so you do have to walk down to use your phone. Here he goes. Road trip to Wi-Fi, yay. Oh, Barry, what'd you do on your vacation? Oh, I drove everybody down to where the Wi-Fi is so they could post all their photos. Yeah, and download their videos. Lord knows we can't go without watching Cobra Kai.
Cobra Kai? That was a random choice to say. Yeah.
No.
Wow, I like that moon.
You like the moon?
Yeah. Can watch another dragon head so precious.
Let's have a look at this map. As you come in the main road, you have your information and your check-in and then the gate. And you come down the road a half a kilometer and you get into, there we are, Camping de Cran. Right here. That's where the Wi-Fi is. And as you come through, we are roughly here. There is a nice comfort station, washrooms, and showers here. And then your one service, electricity only sites right through here. And as you come along and go up the side of the river to the last information center here, there's a lot more hiking trails. Well, obviously there's tons along the way. Right here is your last information center where you get your canoe rental, bike rental, and anything you would need to head up to this spot with the waterfalls and a few paddle-in campgrounds. Now there is more as you go along if you'd like to paddle further. We just so happened to be walking by and noticed that this was unlocked. So here is the site number. Boop. This thing's cute. I see you in there. Let's see. Let's see inside. Oh, isn't this cute? Look. Oh, so comfy.
This is our house.
And then some heat. And everything you need to cook with. And eat with.
And the garbage.
Yeah, garbage and clean and a percolator. teapot?
And cups.
Wow.
It's a tent.
Yeah.
So what?
Nice and comfy, huh, Lori? Couple LED lights up there. A little 2-burner stove. And an itty bitty fridge. Perfect. Now down at the dumping station, there is one thing that I wanted to point out that I do not like. So you have your dumping station. And everything is normal about this. It's got a great little pad to dump. Now, the one thing I do not like about this is you do have your hose to rinse out all of your pipes and your stinky slinkies and everything. It's this spigot that I don't care for. So I was told that that spigot there is what I'm supposed to fill up my water tank, my fresh water tank to my trailer with. Now that's the same that I would fill my coffee maker up, wash all my dishes, my toilet, but who cares? But regardless, it's my drinking water for the week, for the duration of my stay here. And who knows who has used their gloves, their poo-filled gloves, after handling everything they dump their trailer with, and then they take that pooey glove and they use that hose or touch it or anything with that spigot. No thank you. All I'm saying is I've been around enough campgrounds to know that there are people out there that will do that kind of thing. They will use their dirty gloves and touch that spigot, and then I'll end up getting sick while I'm on my vacation. This would be your comfort station or your washrooms and showers. If you are renting one of the chalets or authentics, I'm sorry, that's what I know them as, they do provide you with everything you need to cook on and eat with, as well as a tote to carry everything down here and a dish rack to dry it with. Soap as well, so you can wash your dishes up here and take them back to where you're staying. Hopefully no one's in here, but I did want to show you the family showers. In here you have your family showers. It's nice, bright, lit up nicely at night. You have a very large shower. This was nice because I could get in there with my 2-year-old and make sure we were both nice and clean. The water's hot and fresh. So after a big day of hikes, you can hop in those showers. You push the button, you have 4 minutes before you have to push it again. You can have yourself a wonderful, wonderful shower. Some would argue that that's what makes camping nice, is actually having a nice hot shower at the end of the day. To be honest, I've always been a little bit doubtful to go to Quebec just because of the language barrier, but I have never been more pleased with the trip. Everybody has been so wonderful. If there is a language barrier, Google Translate is here to help, and we've had such a wonderful experience. This campground has been absolutely amazing. There are so many things to do. We've gone for hikes along many lookouts. There is a mountain that you can climb. You can rent canoes and go up the river to some beautiful waterfalls. Oh, what else? There's just too many things to list. Yeah. If you are towing an RV into the park, you have to be very mindful of the hills. A lot of them are 12% grades up and 12% grades down. So if you're heavy, I suggest you try and lighten your load before you come in. So when I came in, I was hitting my brake as much as I could on the trailer because I was starting to dogtail going down some of these very long, very steep hills. So just be mindful of that. Also, the closest gas station is 27 kilometers away. So if you need fuel, stop there. The closest IGA is even further away. You'll pass it as you're coming into town. So when you see this IGA, if you think you need anything, maybe pull in and pick up everything that you think you're gonna need, because it's a half an hour one way just to go get some milk. Does it glow, Lori? Does it glow in the dark? Let's see. Look at it. Does it glow? Careful, Lori. You want to sit down beside your cousin? This place has been the best so far. With the canoeing, the hiking, the sightseeing, the beautiful, breathtaking mountains. It's just been a wonderful trip, and I'm so happy that we came here.
My cousins are coming.
What's that, Lori?
My cousins are coming, Dada.
Are you sure? Hey, did he take your nut? That's site 7. That's a nice spot. That's the kind of spot make me want to dig my tent back out on. Welcome to the high gorges of the Malbaie River. I had it. Welcome to the high gorges of the Malbaie River. Sorry, Barry. I keep leaving long reels, I know. At the beginning of... no, not the beginning. Right at the beginning, yeah, I guess beginning. Beginning? As you're coming in off of... Yeah, we're gonna get there. Time to take a selfie. And then Nathan and his old man stick. Yeah. Okay, whoop. Boof. Did I boof your head? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Isn't that what kids today do? They find Pokemon, play Dungeons and Dragons, and...
Find Pokemon?
What else do you see, Lori?
A moose and a fox.
Can you take out your binky?
A moose and a fox.
A moose and a fox.